Your foundation walls are subject to great stress from the surrounding soil. Now, sometimes that stress can cause a foundation wall to bow and crack or tip in from the top. When this happens, it needs to be stabilized permanently, or it could eventually fail. A great way to fix your bowing block or tipping concrete foundation wall is to stabilize it with our steel I-beam Powerbrace system. Zinc-plated steel beams are custom fit to the basement wall height and secured tightly against it. This is done with brackets that are anchored to the basement floor and floor joists. Once all components of the Powerbrace system are installed and tightened, your basement wall is permanently stabilized. Over time, the wall can even be straightened in most cases. The Powerbrace system is a great way to permanently stabilize a bowing or tipping foundation wall. Now, one last note, that soil that caused your wall to bow and crack in the first place, well, it's putting pressure on your other foundation walls as well. If your other foundation walls haven't begun to fail yet, now is a great time to think about protecting them with our wall defense brackets or straps. And that's pretty much it. It's a simple, practical, and proven solution that will permanently stabilize your foundation walls. How awesome is that?